Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about configuring Ultimaker Cura to give you a price estimate on your prints. So this is part of my series I'm making with the FLSUN Q5 printer, and I'll put a link below in the description to that printer, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit, it doesn't cost you anything extra. So this video is actually relevant to any printer, but I'm going to put it in the playlist and in my videos because I want to keep all my 3D printing videos together. So I'm in Ultimaker Cura and I have a model loaded, and if I hit slice here, it will slice it up and it will tell me how many grams of filament and the length of filament. Okay, so it says it's 41 grams and 13.78 meters. So what I can do is I can go up to the filament menu, I'll click on material, and I'll go down to where it says manage materials. So I had generic PLA selected. You may want to create a new record for whatever filament you're using, but I'll just do it with this one. So if I click on that, so on the right here you see it says filament cost and filament weight, but this is not my currency. I use dollars where I live. So what I want to do is first go to general on the upper left and then change my currency to dollars. Next I'll go back to materials on the left. I'll click on the generic PLA. I'll go down here and put in my filament cost. And I paid just around $20. I think it was like $19.99 for my filament. And I got 1 kilogram, so that's 1,000 grams. So I'm not adding tax in here. You could do that. That would give you a little bit more accurate number in here if you're actually paying that much out. One thing to consider is that you're going to squirt a little out before you print. You might squirt some out after. When you remove the filament, you might lose some. So you're going to lose a little bit of filament here and there, and this doesn't take that into account. So I'll close this. And now down here we see it says it's 82 cents worth of filament. So if I go down here and select this skull, and then I can resize this. Let's see, the X is the biggest, so I'll take that to 200. Now I can reslice. Okay, so this seems to have hung, maybe. I haven't had this happen before. I'm just going to exit out of here and I'll get back in and try it again. Okay, I pulled up a different print. I'll slice this. Okay, so this is 15 grams, 4.86 meters, and 29 cents. So if I go down here, I can scale this up. I'll slice it. Okay, that finished calculating. So now we have 250 grams of filament, 83.92 meters, and it's $5 to print. So as you collect different filaments, you can add them in here and then add the price next to each one. So you can go through and choose the different filaments and you can tell how much each one costs to use. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.